Modular kitchens are a popular trend in modern home design, and for good reason. They offer flexibility, functionality, and style, all in one package. With the right design ideas, you can create a modular kitchen that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. In this article, we'll explore 20 modular kitchen design ideas and expand on each one to help you create your dream kitchen. 1. Add a kitchen island. Adding a kitchen island to your modular kitchen design can create additional storage space and a central work area for cooking and entertaining. Kitchen islands come in a variety of styles and sizes, so you can find one that fits your space and design aesthetic. Consider incorporating a sink or cooktop into your island for added functionality. 2. Use lighting. Effectively lighting is an essential component of any modular kitchen design. Proper lighting can make your space look bigger, brighter, and more inviting. Consider using a combination of task lighting, ambient lighting, and accent lighting to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. You could use pendant lights, under-cabinet lighting, or even a chandelier to add a touch of elegance. 3. Choose a color scheme. Choosing a color scheme is an important part of any modular kitchen design. The right color palette can create a cohesive and harmonious look throughout your space. Consider using a neutral base color, such as white or gray, and adding pops of color with accessories, such as bar stools, artwork, or even appliances. 4. Incorporate smart storage solutions. Smart storage solutions can make a big difference in the functionality of your modular kitchen design. Consider using pull-out drawers, lazy Susans, or custom cabinets to maximize your storage space and keep your kitchen organized. You could also incorporate open shelving for a more decorative touch. 5. Use mirrors. Mirrors are a great way to make your modular kitchen design look bigger and brighter. Consider using a mirrored backsplash, or even mirrored cabinet doors, to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. 6. Add a breakfast nook. Adding a breakfast nook to your modular kitchen design can create a cozy and inviting space for casual dining. Consider using a built-in bench with storage underneath for added functionality. You could also use colorful cushions and pillows to add a pop of color. 7. Install open shelving. Open shelving is a popular trend in modular kitchen design. It's a great way to display your favorite dishes, glasses, and other kitchen items, while also adding a decorative touch. Consider using reclaimed wood or glass shelves for added texture and interest. 8. Choose the right appliances. Choosing the right appliances is an important part of any modular kitchen design. Consider your cooking and entertaining needs, and choose appliances that fit your lifestyle. You could opt for a built-in refrigerator, a double oven, or even a wine cooler for added convenience and style. 9. Use textures. Textures can add depth and interest to your modular kitchen design. Consider using textured wallpaper, tiles, or even a textured backsplash to create a focal point in your kitchen. You could also use natural materials, such as wood or stone, for added texture and warmth. 10. Incorporate artwork. Incorporating artwork into your modular kitchen design can add a personal touch and make your space feel more welcoming. Consider using a colorful painting, a vintage poster, or even a gallery wall of family photos to add interest and personality. 11. Use glass. Glass is a great material for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your modular kitchen design. Consider using glass cabinet doors, a glass backsplash, or even a glass dining table to create a sense of transparency and lightness in your kitchen. This can make your space feel bigger and brighter. 12. Add a backsplash. Adding a backsplash to your modular kitchen design can protect your walls from cooking splatters and spills, while also adding a decorative touch. Consider using a patterned tile or a textured material, such as brick or stone, for added interest. You could also opt for a sleek and modern glass backsplash for a clean and contemporary look. 13. Install a range hood. Installing a range hood can improve the air quality in your modular kitchen design and remove cooking odors and smoke. Consider choosing a range hood that matches your kitchen style and size, and that has the right level of ventilation for your cooking needs. 14. Use a bold flooring pattern. Using a bold flooring pattern in your modular kitchen design can create a striking focal point and add interest to your space. Consider using patterned tiles or a bold-colored linoleum or vinyl flooring for a pop of color and texture. 15. Create a customized pantry. Creating a customized pantry in your modular kitchen design can help you stay organized and make cooking and meal prep easier. Consider using custom shelving, pull-out drawers, and baskets to create a pantry that fits your needs and lifestyle. 16. Add a statement wall. Adding a statement wall to your modular kitchen design can create a bold and memorable look. Consider using a bold paint color, wallpaper, or even a tile accent wall for added interest and personality. 17. Incorporate natural materials. Incorporating natural materials into your modular kitchen design can add warmth and texture. Consider using wood cabinets, stone countertops, or even a reclaimed wood accent wall for a rustic and organic look. 18. Choose the right flooring material. Choosing the right flooring material for your modular kitchen design is important for both style and functionality. Consider using durable and easy-to-clean materials, such as porcelain tile or luxury vinyl plank, for added durability and convenience. 19. Add a kitchen desk. Adding a kitchen desk to your modular kitchen design can create a dedicated workspace for meal planning, recipe research, or even work-from-home tasks. Consider using a built-in desk with storage cabinets and a comfortable chair for added functionality. 20. Use decorative hardware. Using decorative hardware, such as unique knobs and pulls, can add a finishing touch to your modular kitchen design. Consider using hardware that matches your kitchen style and color scheme, and that adds a touch of personality and interest. In conclusion, there are many modular kitchen design ideas that can help you create a practical and stylish space. By incorporating elements such as lighting, color, storage solutions, and texture, you can create a kitchen that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Use these ideas as inspiration to create your dream modular kitchen design.